Hey, Edna Wilson here, your hometown realtor, as hometown is apple pie, with this week's Education Corner. Hey, this week we're going to be talking about what kills your home value. That's right, just slices it right there. So there's definitely a couple things that you need to be aware of when you're thinking about remodeling your home for potentially selling it at a later date. And here's my list. Number one, flooring. My daughter often says, this house has a flooring crisis, which is so true. So a lot of times we like to go find those bargains at Lowe's, hey, here's 200 square feet of this tile on sale for $1 a square foot. That's great and all, but if you start piecing it together, where this flooring is different than this flooring, it creates confusion and actually makes your house look much, much smaller. So really opt to have a house that's full of the same flooring. It really makes a huge difference. The next, converting the garage. People want garages. Don't convert your garage, especially without a permit. No, I find it really difficult to sell a house that the garage has been converted. People don't like it. And even though you have, look, all this extra square footage, you don't get the same value for it because it's just converted space and it doesn't make sense to most buyers. The next, remodeling, but leaving the existing floor plan. So there's a thing in real estate called functionally obsolete. And that basically means that the house no longer functions like today's family likes to function. So if you're going to redo a kitchen, take down a wall. If you're going to redo a family room, take out the sliding glass doors if it's an extension. Don't leave the house where it's all chopped. You're going to want to take down wall, take down wall, take down wall. I promise you'll get your money back on that one. But then, at the same time, people will also take a 4-bedroom and turn it into a 2-bedroom because they want to take that additional living room and put it into a space that's part of the living room. No, bedroom, taking part of the living room. So you want to make sure that you're taking down the right walls when you take down the walls. Don't decrease the amount of bedrooms you have. 4-bedroom houses are really difficult to find. So we want to make sure that you keep all the bedrooms you possibly can. And then also, don't forget, when you're doing this to kill your home value, don't forget to leave yard. Like, don't put so many sheds in your backyard that there's no yard to play in. Don't put play structures or gazebos where there's no yard to play in. This actually will hurt the value of your home tremendously. So think about those things as you start to remodeling. Please call me before you start a big remodeling project and let's talk about your home value and what would get you the most bang for your buck when you're ready to sell. Have a great day.